Belfast Building and Roofing offers you a wide range of services using the latest thermal and acoustic solutions, giving you real savings and real comfort.
Okay, so James J here. Welcome to another video. This video we're down here doing a load of dangerous chimneys in Groomsport at the Lodge House, which is basically just across the road from the Groomsport Parish Church, which is at anyway, we're at 1 Donaghadee Road, Groomsport, which is BT19 6LG, in case anybody's interested. Okay, so listed building, date of construction 1860, which basically means it's 160 years old, and an excellent example of a rather grand 1860 stone house. And obviously it's a building of local and regional importance, you know, due to the fact that it's listed. But really what that means to us regarding these chimneys is that it's been taking a hammering. I mean, these chimneys have been taking a hammering from the north down coastal winds for 160 years, which is, you know, it's quite a long time. So, you know, obviously there's a lot of serious damage and degradation, you know, but when you think of it, it's sort of understandable under circumstances. Anyway, some of these chimneys were just repaired in situ. There were structural pointing and different bits and bobs doing to them, nothing too major, while others were completely rebuilt. You know, in some cases using stone from other chimneys which were salvaged on site, and but unfortunately a few of the chimneys were just in such a serious condition they had to be actually removed completely. And what this entailed was to, you know, basically, first of all, it had to be wrapped in bubble wrap. Then they were bound and bagged up, and then they were carefully lowered to the ground on a pulley that we'd arranged, and then they were lowered to the ground carefully and stored on pallets. The reason why we'd done this was, you know, because the building's listed, we weren't allowed to dispose of the actual stone. Now, on the demolished chimneys there, the flues of these demolished chimneys were closed off and filled with, first of all, they were filled with granular insulation. Then they were capped off with 40 Newton high strength concrete, and then they were sealed with our speciality SBR tanking slurry. Okay, so just to summarise, we've got the 4 on the back, and the 4 on the back with the demolished 2. So yeah, but those are stored down below. I had to repair that corner. So we'd cap them off with the concrete, fill them, cap them off, slurry top, to seal them all in. The pair here, this pair, they were rebuilt. Just managed to get enough pieces because they're actually still working chimneys. This one was particularly bad. There's steel pins down that they're holding it together. Again, it's got a slurry top on it. These pair, very bad. It had to be redone, and we've got a steel brace with them, holding the whole thing together. And then we've just got the single left, which was just structural pointing. It was actually not too bad at all, and that was all that's done.
So, if it's simple repairs or your dream home improvements, go to Belfast Building and Roofing at www.jgm-ni.com or call James on 02890 160 472 to book your free survey now. Belfast Building and Roofing. Real savings, real comfort.